If you're considering buying Postcron for social media management and analytics, here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. Postcron has gained popularity in the space, but how does it stack up against competitors like Hootsuite and Buffer? Let's break it down. First off, Postcron does a great job of scheduling posts across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Unlike some other tools, Postcron allows you to schedule posts in bulk using a simple CSV file, making it easy to manage large amounts of content. This feature is a standout for businesses looking to save time on posting. Next thing, Postcron also offers detailed analytics, allowing you to track your social media performance. You'll find data on engagement, reach, and follower growth, which is crucial for refining your strategy. However, compared to competitors like Sprout Social, Postcron's analytics features are more basic and may not provide the depth you need for advanced social media strategies. The third thing to note is the user interface. Postcron has a relatively simple, no-frills interface that's easy to navigate. It's great for beginners or small businesses, but if you're used to more robust platforms like Hootsuite, you might find it a bit limiting. Next thing, Postcron allows you to manage multiple accounts within one dashboard, which is ideal if you're managing different brand profiles or client accounts. However, while it supports a variety of social networks, it does miss out on integrations with platforms like TikTok, which is increasingly important for many businesses today. The fifth thing is customer support. Postcron offers email support, but response times can be slow, and you won't find a live chat option. Compared to other services like Buffer or Sprout Social, this can be a downside if you need quick resolutions to problems. Next thing, Postcron has a feature called Post Automation, which lets you create recurring posts, great for evergreen content. This feature is convenient, but it's not as flexible as Buffer's automation tools, which allow for more customized posting schedules. The seventh thing to consider is its price. Postcron is generally more affordable than competitors like Hootsuite and Buffer, making it a great choice for businesses or individuals with a smaller budget. However, keep in mind that you get what you pay for. Postcron might lack some of the advanced features you'll find in higher-end tools. Next thing, Postcron has a mobile app that allows you to manage posts on the go. It's handy for those who need flexibility, but again, it doesn't have the same range of features as competitors' apps. If mobile functionality is a priority, you may want to look elsewhere. The ninth thing is the ability to collaborate with team members. Postcron lets you assign roles to team members and manage permissions, but the collaboration features aren't as advanced as other tools like Sprout Social, which offers more in-depth project management and team communication features. Next, Postcron offers a content calendar that helps you visualize and plan your social media strategy. It's a solid feature, but it doesn't have the same drag-and-drop capabilities as Buffer, which some users find more intuitive. The 11th thing to know is the post-approval process. Postcron lets you set up an approval workflow, but it's quite basic. If you need more complex workflows and approval processes, you might find other platforms more suited to your needs. Finally, Postcron offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to a paid plan. This is a great opportunity to see if it fits your needs, but it's worth noting that you'll be limited in terms of the features available during the trial. So, is Postcron a good option? Yes, especially for smaller businesses or individuals looking for an affordable social media management tool with the basics. But if you're looking for a more advanced solution with deeper analytics, automation, and collaboration features, you may want to check out our recommended option. Try it for free and see how it compares.